So I'm in the bush, somewhere in the south of the island. I was trapping out here for mongoose. And look what I found. It's a possum. Looks pretty young, eh? But it's a Sheila. She also have babies in the pouch. I'm gonna let her go in the bush. This possum is playing possum. It's a baby for itself, but it has 6 in the pouch. Gonna let it off on this trail. Stop playing dead, you can go. You're free. You're free. It's gonna play dead for a little bit. Oi, run along. It's Monday, man. You was out partying. Let's just wait. Attempt 2 at a release. This opossum. It's gonna play possum, eh? Oi. She plays dead, so you can leave her, you see. Right here it musked itself. If she latch onto my finger, I would be in serious trouble, eh? Okay, get on with it. Gonna leave her be. And she's gone. Slowly but surely.